Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to use a Chrome app on Android TV. So to use Chrome on Android TV and browse the web, you're going to need to download the Chrome app. How do you do this? So head over to apps, go to Google, and when you're on Google you launch it. I'm going to find the search bar. I want you to click on search and type in Chrome app just like this. So when you have Chrome app, you're going to see this play.google.com option. This is the one you want. This is the link you click and you see a Chrome app, Google Chrome. There's an update open button because I have this app already installed. If you do not have it installed, you find install, and when you click on install, this app is going to install straight to your app library. In the app library, hit the app to launch it. I could just click on open right here and I'll get into the Chrome app. Now when this app loads, you're going to find all the menus as you normally know Chrome to be. You could click on the plus button to fast start the new tab, and on the new tab you can navigate to any site of choice. As you can see here, I have Facebook, YouTube, Amazon, ESPN, Wikipedia, Instagram, eBay. I could choose to navigate or search any topic of my choice, and right here I could find maybe books, and clicking on search you're going to have results. So you're browsing the web with the Chrome browser on Android TV. So you could also use AI reviews, AI overviews rather, and you could see a lot of results anytime you browse the web. So this is simplified browsing, easy, with a very renowned and proven browser being the Chrome browser, all happening on your Android TV. If you found success with this process, if you're able to do this following the instructions I laid out in this video and you've seen value from it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in the next video.